All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So emerge, emerge from something, to come from something, to emerge from something. I emerged from my home, and I emerged from it. Yes. We emerged from the cave. Better people. Yeah. She emerged with me into the city, countryside. Yeah. They only emerge from their holes at night. Yeah. Foxes only emerge from their dens at night when it is safe. They don't emerge during the day. They don't emerge during the day. And yeah, no way. Yeah. I emerged from the office tired. I came out of the office tired. I emerged from bed fresh and full of energy. He can't emerge that easily. No. He won't emerge just like that. Yeah. He needs to wait for the right weather before he emerges from the cave. Eventually they have to emerge to eat and drink something. They have to emerge. They can't be in there forever. They can't be in there forever. They have to emerge from the hole, from the tunnel, from the den, from the lair. From the hole, the den, the lair, yeah, the tunnel. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so emerge. So he is emerging from the sea. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so can you write emerge in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.